Solutions. Today we discuss about solutions, types of solutions and concept of mode. Solution. What is a solution? A homogeneous mixture of two or more compounds at molecule or ion level whose composition may vary within certain limits is called solution. Solution is a type of homogeneous mixture that is made of two or more substances. A homogeneous mixture is a type of mixture with a uniform composition. For example, salt solution, sugar solution, urea solution. These all are example of solutions. The solution contains two components is called binary solutions. In binary solution, components are called solvent and solute. Let's make us our salt water example to take about the two main parts of solution. These are solute and solvent. Solute. The component which is present in small quantity in solution is called solute. The component which is present in small quantity in solution is called solute. In salt solution, salt is solute. This is the substance that make up the minority of the solution, or this is the part that is dissolved. Example, the salt water, the solute is the salt, solvent. The component which is present in large quantity in a solution is called solvent. In salt solution, water is solvent. This is the substance that make up the majority of the solution. This is the part where the solute is dissolved. Example, the salt water, the solvent is water. Types of solutions. Solution are two types. One is on the basis of physical state solutions. Second one on the basis of relative amount of solute and solvent solutions. Physical state solutions are classified into three types. Those are first one, gaseous solution. Second one, liquid solution. Third one, solid solution. First one, gaseous solutions. These gaseous solutions, gas component present in large quantity in a solution. These gaseous solutions are three types. One is gas in gas solution, example air. Second one, liquid in gas, example water vapor. Third one, solid in gas, dust and smoke particles in air, example of solid in gas solutions. Second one, liquid solutions. Liquid solutions are the most common and they can be obtained by the dissolution of gaseous liquids or solutes. These gaseous liquid solutions are three types. First one, gas in liquid, example soda water. Second one, solid in liquid, salt water. Third one, liquid in liquid, alcohol in water. Third one, solid solutions. These solid solutions, the solid component act as solvent. Gas in solid, for example, hydrogen over palladium. Second one, liquid in solid, for example, amalgam, mercury and metal like sodium, potassium, so on. Solid in solid, example, alloys like brass, nickel, German silver. These are solid in solid solutions. On the basis of relative amount of solute and solvent solutions are three types. Those are saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. A solution in which supersaturated solution definition, a solution in which the amount of solute is more than required for saturation is called supersaturated solution. A solution in which the amount of solute is more than required for saturation is called supersaturated solution. It is unstable and becomes saturated and addition of solute. Unsaturated solution. A solution in which the amount of solute is less than required for saturation is called unsaturated solution. A solution in which the amount of solute is less than the required for saturation is called unsaturated solution. It dissolves some more amount of solute to form saturated solution. Saturated solution. A solution in which the mixture in which a solution in which the maximum amount of solute present at given temperature is called saturated solution. A solution in which the maximum amount of solute present at given temperature is called saturated solution. It cannot dissolve any more amount of solute. In saturated solution, a dynamic equilibrium exists between ions and undissociated molecules. Now we discuss mole concept. Mole, the amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of atoms or molecules is called mole. The amount of the substance containing the same particles as the number of atoms present in 12 grams of C12 is called mole. Mole is a measure of the amount of particles in matter. It is the chemist dozens. Mole is always represented by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles or molecules or atoms. Mole is a number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. To count the chemical units, the number of moles is equal weight of the substance by gram molecular weight of substance. Mole is equal mass by molecular mass. Mole is equal number of particles by Avogadro number. 1 mole of aluminum is equal 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. These mole concepts are introduced by Avogadro. These Avogadro number calculated by using number of moles into Avogadro number. Therefore, Avogadro number is equal to mass of electron into charge of electron is equal to Avogadro number, that is equal 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles or atoms is called mole. Mole is a number. This number used to count the chemical units. These units calculated by using formula, the number of moles is equal weight of the substance by gram molecular weight of substance. For example, 1 mole of oxygen at STP. It contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. These 1 mole of oxygen at STP occupied 22.4 liters. 1 mole of oxygen weight at STP 32 grams. Thank you.